Hello and good afternoon, beloved. How are you doing? And I hope you are doing fine. Today I have something to tell you. Have you ever experienced a situation when you have maybe a little headache and it gradually increases? It turns to a high blood pressure, it turns to a body temperature, it turns to different type of illness. Have you ever experienced a little problem that increases and turns to either a community problem or a family problem? It could be even a global problem. Have you ever experienced a little marital disagreement and gradually increases and leads to divorce? Have you ever experienced different type of situation, different type of tragedies that comes in a little way and later graduates into becoming a major problem? Today, I have come to illustrate something to you and to tell you the reason why our problem increases every time. Normally, we as believers, we as Christians, there is nothing wrong that we are confronted with problems, that we have challenges. It's bound to happen. But we have solution, and we are the solution because we believe that Christ lives in us. There is a reason why our problems, our challenges keep on persisting. Everything we are facing today, there is a reason why it keeps increasing as if there is no solution. Not that there is no solution. That is why today I have come to illustrate something to you, to your understanding, so that you will know the reason why those things you call problem keep increasing. Not that they won't come. Yes, they might come, but we have God, we have Jesus, and we have the wisdom of God to combat and bring it to powerless every situation that have been confronting us. Now, let me go straight to the illustration. This is a bottle of water, and this is 150 cl, and the weight is about 4 kilogram. It's about 4 kg. Now, when I take this water up like this, as you can see, I am holding this water, and I can fling it. I can fling it to my left. I can fling it to my right. I can do whatever I like to do with this water because I am feeling it is weightless. It's not that heavy that I can do anything I like with it. Then, if I keep on this water like this, I am holding it in my hand. I keep on holding it. I keep on holding it with one hand. I am still holding it. Now, the first time I took this water up, I was feeling that this water doesn't have weight. But the more I keep this water in my hand, the more I am feeling more weight, as if the weight of this water is increasing. But naturally, not that this water is increasing in weight. It remains the same. It is static. It's not going out, it's not increasing, it's not reducing. But I am feeling it that this thing is reducing, as if I have carried 3 bottles of water. But it was 1 bottle of water I carried, and it is 1 bottle of water I am carrying. Now, the more it is staying in my hand, I'm feeling more weight, and I'm getting tired. As you can see, my hand is about to start shaking. As you can see, my hand is already shaking because this water is being sustained with a hand, just 1 finger of hand down here. As I'm still keeping this water, I'm already tired holding it, and before you know, my hand will collapse. Now, what I'm supposed to have done is when I take this water and drop it on the desk. When I drop it on the desk, it doesn't have any effect to this desk. Why? Because this desk has the power to hold it. Not that this water that signifies a problem now is not here. It is here, but I can feel free. Even though I see the problem, I see the water, I'm not afraid. Why? Because I know that my desk can hold the water for me. Now, I want to tell you the meaning of this illustration. You know, so many times in our life, we encounter so many problems that seems very little, and it will graduate into a major problem. Why? Because we keep on holding it. We doesn't drop it on God. He said, "Comes to me, all you who are labor and overburdened, I will give you rest." See, when you have a problem, you have a challenge. Even though God has given us wisdom and understanding to combat everything that comes our way, it is very important that we always present our problems, our troubles to God, so that we are not going to collapse. When problems comes our way, sometimes we feel that this is a little problem that we can manage it, and we keep on managing it in our own knowledge. The more we keep to our own knowledge, the more we collapse. That is why today there are a lot of world problems, including this COVID-19 pandemic. The world felt at the initial time that they can develop vaccine, they can develop medicines to make sure they combat it. But what is going on today? The more we keep on holding our problems to ourselves, the more problem we have. Why? Because it will keep increasing. Not that it is increasing, no. Not that it is increasing. The problem remains the same. But it reveals that our ability is limited to handle problems. That is why we have God. So today I'm telling you to present all your problems, all your troubles to God, because God is going to solve it. Don't keep on holding your problems. Our power is limited. We have someone who has all power, all authority. His word says in Matthew chapter 28 verse 18, it says, all the authority has been given unto me in heaven and on earth. So anything you are going through now, I want you to put it in the hands of God. And while you are trying your best to combat the problem, while you are trying your best to make sure that the problem doesn't exist anymore, when you put it in the hands of God, God will solve it with you. Please, brethren, this is what I have for you today. Put that problem in the hands of God. Put that marital problem in the hands of God. Put that illness, that financial instability, put it in the hands of God. There is no problem that is insurmountable before God. It is in our eyes that things seems to be insurmountable. Thank you so much, because I believe you will do what I am telling you, to present your troubles to God while you are solving it, praying, and you are telling God that this is not greater than you. I assure you, God is going to make it to be weightless, to be easy for you. Thank you so much for having time to listen to this video. Have a good day. I remain your friend, Okocha Happy Marcel. Have a nice day.